Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to make the origami star box. So take the top right corner and fold it all the way down. And remember to crease it down very hard. Take your scissors and cut off the remaining part, and you'll be left with a triangle. And when you open the triangle, you'll have one square. Take your paper and fold it in half diagonally. Fold it again in half. Pick up the first flap and put your finger in it so you slowly open it. And then take the top and press it down to make a diamond. Turn the paper over. Again, put your finger through the hole and match it up with the other squash fold too. And then from the top, press it down to make a diamond. And you'll be left with the diamond. You should have one solid flap opening. Below that, you should have two flaps that can separate. And below that, you should have another solid flap. If you did this, you did the step correctly. Let's move on. The side that open faces you, and the side that does not open faces away from you. So pick up the first flap on the left side and fold it to the center. Pick up the right first flap and fold it to the center too. Repeat these steps for the other side. Remember, the side that doesn't open faces away from you. You can also see that both sides of origami can flip like a book. Take one of the flap you folded and open it up. And then put your finger through it and squash fold. You can see that you did the step correctly, that the line on the squash fold will match with the line on the bottom. Repeat it for the other flap. Turn it over. Repeat the same steps for the other side too. So flip the paper to the right. Then take the right flap and fold it to the center line. Do the same for the left flap too. Then take the right flap and fold it to the left. Again, take the right flap and fold it to the left. And then do the same for the first flap. And do the right to the center line too. To make sure you do this correctly, you'll have one solid flap. Beneath it, you'll have two singular flaps. And fold the solid flap up as much as you can. Turn it over. Again, fold the solid flap as much up as you can. Then, fold the left to the right. and fold the solid flap as much up as you can. Again, fold the left to the right. Fold the solid flap up as much as you can. Then, take the right flap and fold it to the left to make it even. So, take the two flaps on the right and the left and pull them out gently. And then take your hand and push out every single flap. And make sure you push them out slowly and gently, or else the STAR box will break. To make the STAR box more sturdy, gently press it down and start pinching the edges. This will make the STAR box stand flatly. And when you flip it over, you have your origami STAR box. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and smash that thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.